Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add effects to your videos in Davinci Resolve, so let's get right into it. Now firstly, as you can see, I'm on the cut page, and I can even add effects from here. All you have to do is press the effects button and just search for the effect that you want. For example, let's say I want to add night vision. You just drag it and drop it over the video you want to add it to, and as you can see, it adds that effect. However, I'll just undo that, and I'm going to show you another way. You can go to the edit page, and here you also have this whole library of effects. This is pretty much the same library you have, but here you can add titles, you can add generators, you can add effects, you can add filters, you can add whatever you want. For example, let me add the box blur. If I add it to the video, as you can see, it is completely blurred. If I add the Gaussian blur, it looks like that, and I can add a couple of different ones. For example, color stabilizer. Some of them are premium, so you do need to have the studio version. However, most are free as far as I know. As you can see, if I add dispel, it changes how the grass looks, and so on and so forth. Now you can do that, or you can do this as well. You can go to the Fusion tab, and here you have this whole library of effects, or you can press Control Space and search for the tool that you want. These are sometimes different from effects, sometimes the same, but you can add, for example, an anaglyph and just click add, and as you can see, it is a paid tool, so I cannot use it. But let's search for another one. Let me say cube 3D. This should be a free one, and as you can see, all you have to do is just connect it to the input and to the output like so. I don't know why I can't do it. Let me just do this real quickly. Cube 3D added there, and as you can see, now it is added to this, and you can just modify the size in the inspector, modify the subdivisions, etc, etc, and you can modify all your effects through the inspector right here. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.